Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up on Genshin Impact on your mobile phone. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, in here, just go ahead and open up the Genshin Impact game. All right, once done, instead of logging in or straight up entering your email or username right here and password, or even using Google, Facebook, Twitter right here, you won't be able to create an account. To create an account, you'll have to tap on register now. All right, just tap on it. Now, this one will open. Now go ahead and enter your email address, okay? Just type down your email, and once that's done, tap on I have read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And if you want to, you can go ahead and tick this one, and then just hit on next. Wait for it, and there will be a simple verification process right here. Just do what it says. For example, mine right here says select in this order. So just gonna follow the instruction like so and hit on OK. Wait for it. Now it says here, please enter the email verification code to verify your identity. So just go ahead and open up your email and then paste the code in here. All right, and once that's done, go ahead and enter your password or your preferred password and just copy the same password in here. And once that's done, just hit on register, wait for it. And as you can see here, we now have the pop-up that says terms of service. Just agree to all and then hit on accept. Okay. And in here, as you can see, it says welcome. And here you have your account. Okay. All you have to do next is just select the server. Once done, close it. And after that, go ahead and tap to begin. Just follow the simple prompts right here. And once done, you're good to go. You just signed up or created a Genshin Impact account on your mobile. All right. The next time you log in, you just remember your email and password. And after that, enjoy. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.